Coming at you from Tokyo, Japan, my name is Dave and this is my Suzuki Cappuccino. Yeah, it's just an overall a fairly nice car. Let's give it a wash. Yuck, this is really overkill. Pull the pin, then rotate that, and then the whole thing comes open. It's actually not the way to do it. I think you're supposed to actually free spool it out. Anyway, that's how that works. Put this back on. Got this seat belt looped over a few times so that I don't damage anything. And we're done here. This thing's got a brake on it, so if I start pushing the car, it'll just stop the car from moving, I hope. The handbrake is off. Will it move? Doesn't really want to. It's sitting on the flat spots in the tires. I should probably pump them up. Get the compressor started. Now I can put air in the car. Is probably enough. Rinse and repeat all four sides. I don't think these are suitable for highway travel. Okay, let's try pulling it again and see what happens. Well, it wants to roll now. I'll use this remote. Yep, okay, cool. So we're gonna pull on it. That seemed to work well. Perfect, nice. Oh, ball, look at that. And a hook, some welding wire, jigsaw blade, house wire. Things you find underneath your barn find cappuccino. I threw the ball and it rolled straight underneath the Integra. This is crazy, like I've got this, what is it, 13,000 pound winch to pull this. And look, I can pull it. Yeah, so I don't really need, that's hella overkill, is what I'm trying to say. That's working well. All right, now I need to clean the inside. Turn this off. Now you can kind of get a bit of a better look at what we're dealing with here. That's all mold. It's horrible. I don't know why this car does this, but my worry is that that's moisture that actually pooled underneath the carpet, and now I have rust. It's got it on the steering wheel as well. Got this product called Maipet in a spray bottle. There's no bleach or anything in it, so it won't kill mold, but it should clean it up. Hopefully it doesn't go patchy. If these door cards are ruined, I'll probably go to carbon fiber door card. Safety first. Got some water, can add it to this. I think that you can use your intelligence to know that this is not the final clean. Just giving it a wipe so that I can get in the car without being completely overrun with mold and shit. And I am aware that the added moisture is just going to add to the problem, but I've got something to fix that, hopefully. Dave doesn't know how to detail. Oh, Dave hasn't detailed in a long ass time. That's for damn sure. And it's just going to be a lot of this. Honestly. And yes, this is broken, same as every other person's cappuccino. Somebody who didn't know what they were doing decided to go in there and broke it. To be fair, it is very difficult to get them off without breaking them. Probably should be wearing gloves, actually. It's alright, I'll wash my hands before I touch my face or anything. I mean, that came up pretty damn good. From that to that, with just a little bit of Maipet and a brush. I mean, I'm not trying to clean it properly, I'm just trying to get the visible shit off. I haven't killed the mold. And more of this. You probably don't need to see it. It's working pretty well, but I think I need to move away from shop towels onto actual towels. These are not very absorbent. Yeah, real towel works better. Yo, look at that. So dirty on the inside. Yuck. Come on, headrest, go up. I don't think it's ever been up. Fine, keep your secrets then. Originally I was thinking about pulling the car the whole way out, turning it around and doing it sort of this way on the driveway. But now I'm sort of looking at it. I don't know if I'm going to get any real benefit from doing that other than not getting any water into the garage. But who gives a shit? Like, the floor could use a clean anyway. So I think I'm just going to reverse it back and then just do it here. Seems to make the most sense. And with my cleaning, I just really want to get it to the point where I can touch things in there without feeling icky, if that makes any sense. This brush works really well. It's just a paintbrush. Bristles are soft enough. Gets in all the nooks and crannies. Go wash my hands before lunch. That's looking quite a lot better than it did before. Should I do a better job now? Or do the exterior first? I think I should do the exterior first, honestly. These rubbers are all in really good condition. We're just going to use the handbrake. Why not? This is so convenient. Yep. This is interesting. A pair of safety goggles underneath the cappuccino. It's all good. A couple of oil marks. I don't think they came out of the cappuccino. Disconnect that. Here we go. So much dust on the floor that the water is beating. Look at that dust as a protective coating. Trying to be as gentle as possible to get rid of that first layer of shit. Now I'm going to use the high pressure hose, but with no pressure. Just that. Why? I don't know. For some reason I think this will be better. I can't justify it though. This is the soap I'm using. I don't know if it's any good, but it was recommended by Amazon. I'm going to use this. Again, I don't know if this is any good. It was just recommended on Amazon. I thought the price was fairly decent. Never used it before. Don't really know how it works. Alright, this goes in here, I suppose. It's where it fits. Give that a twist. Now, yeah, there's nothing in there. There's no like hose or anything that goes with it. Right, maybe I dropped the hose on the way over here or something. Nope, I definitely didn't drop the hose anywhere, so great. Okay, well I need to find a piece of hose that fits that, that's the length of this, so that I can actually use the damn thing. Glorious. I found this black, looks to be OEM hose. Try and get a somewhat straight section. Should be right in soapy water. How much do I need? Probably sort of that, I suppose. Wish I didn't have to do this. I've modified straight out of the packet. Let's put a bit of an angle on it so that it doesn't stick to the floor. Yeah, that works. 50 ml of this to 450 ml of water. This is 900 ml. Smells good. There we go. Need to put some water in there. This is not going to be probably suitable. That's working. It's really foaming up. I mean, that's what it's supposed to do, right? But I'm not going to be able to get a litre worth of water in there because I've got 500 ml or 400 ml of foam. Call it the concentrated dose. Does it even work? Yep. Wheo. Oh wow. that's quite shit, really. Oh, it's so slippery, it's incredible. Yes, I'm all covered in it. That's inexperience. Could probably go for a less concentrated mixture, honestly. Just like this, just foam everywhere. It's just everywhere. Looks blue on the GoPro screen, but it's actually green. This is a bit of a reenactment because I was a bit shocked. I didn't mean to do that. There's foam everywhere. That was not intentional. Now it looks like I'm spraying down the engine bay as well. It's crazy because you spray one area to get the foam to move, and it just bounces to another area, then you hose that, and that bounces to another area. But you might be wondering, why did I do it that way? You haven't seen me use the sponge yet. That's because I wanted a touchless way to remove all that dirt and grime, so it limits the amount of scratching that I'm going to do with a sponge. It's still going to scratch it, but a lot less than if I just went over all that shit with a sponge in my hand. So now that I've got all that shit off, I can soap it up, sponge it, and then it'll be clean. But she's a pretty good looking whip. It is the nicest car I own. There's no wax on it at all. Looks glorious on this GoPro screen. Now we need to soap it again and sponge it. If you just use the foam and no agitation from a sponge, it won't clean your car. I love it when a plan comes together. Here's a brand new sponge still in the packet. Foam it, sponge it, hose it again. Someone in the comments is going to go, that's never going to run again. It doesn't run now. Like, hey Dave, we need you to clean that car. Oh, not like that. Now to chamois. Paint is so dry. Still pulling dirty water off it. A bit of mold here. I just found this in the trunk, an old ETC reader I must have been hoarding to put in this car. So if you want this to put in your car so that your car speaks to you in Japanese when you turn it on, let me know and I'll send it to you. I wasn't planning on starting this today, but due to unforeseen circumstances, I am going to remove this. Those circumstances are